So we have the first of what I imagine would be many lawsuits filed against the Trump administration using the Federal Torts Claims Act. It's filed by Naiver Rangel, who is one of the 200 plus men that the Trump administration shipped off on March 15th, 2025, to El Salvador's torture prison and to be tortured for 4 months before using them as pawns to reclaim 10 Americans. Anyway, Naiver Rangel's claim says that the basis for him being sent there was because they said he was a member of a gang. They denied him the due process rights that the United States Supreme Court says that he's entitled to, proved that he was not indeed a member of that gang, and they did not put the notice to him. They didn't give him advance notice, didn't let him get access to a lawyer. They didn't make it in Spanish. All of those things were basic requirements under United States law. He said that he had followed United States law, because if you don't know, civil law and immigration is a civil infraction. It's not a criminal infraction. No matter how much people say they're criminal, they're not supposed to be thrown in jail or sent to torture prison for being in the country unauthorized. But in any event, Mr. Rangel says that he, like many of the men, had actually followed U.S. processes, had filed asylum claims that U.S. offers to international people and foreigners, and was giving work permits and were under the processes or under the jurisdiction of the immigration courts, and were coming back to do their regular check-ins. Some of the men actually were coming in part of the temporary protective status, like they had status. They'd been authorized to be United States, but because they're Venezuelan, they had tattoos. The Trump administration did the faulty, shabby job of saying that they're gang members because they're racist and sent these people off. And now Mr. Rangel is asking for 1.3 million. Now he hasn't been assigned an actual case docket yet. I can't put it here yet for you. But if he is successful or if his case moves along, you can imagine there's going to be more. And who's going to be paying for these? We are, the taxpayers. Like, that's time for Trump one. After he left, there were a lot of lawsuits, a lot of class action lawsuits. We settled. We're now still, our tax dollars are going to pay millions of dollars in settlements for the lawless shit that they did the first time. And so I can imagine there's going to be more. It's, where's Doge when you need them? It's so inefficient. You're just violating rights. You could do things the right way. We can avoid all this had they just not been lawless. If you say you're going to go after criminals and there's no more criminals, just be like, dude, looks like Biden and Obama got rid of all the criminals, so we're good. So we're just going to like move on to another thing. But he has nothing, got nothing. He's just making prices go higher, not doing anything to save your life, just essentially saying, I'm going to target a few people and attack folks and go on a revenge tour. And that's all he's been doing. And a costly, expensive ass revenge tour it's going to be when it's done and we finish out seating him. Anyway, that's it. Each one teach one. Share this news with other folks and I'll keep you updated. JJ Legal.